got another RealReal unboxing. Another surprise secondhand savings steal videos from the RealReal unboxing. I honestly don't know what is in this one, and I just ordered another one and another one, so we're gonna see. We've got a lot of these coming. We got a few, because I can't stop, won't stop, Shopaholic, shop, and it had some credit and all those things. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick RealReal unboxing. I think this is clothes and maybe a bag. It feels like just clothes. Maybe the bag's in the next one. The part 2 is coming later. I think I have 3 more of these coming for you guys, so I'll try to keep them every once a week, okay? Until we're caught up, okay? So quick second haul, savings, sustainable, vintage, upcycling, fashion unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a Shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick RealReal unboxing and talking about, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, this is part of my series of shopping secondhand for things way under retail at stores like the RealReal and comparing them to the real ones, the wear to the listing, and also how much you would save buying it secondhand versus in the store. And I focus mostly on clothing, so I think these are some clothes and maybe something else. I don't remember what I ordered. So we're gonna unbox them, talk about them, we'll look at compare them to the listing, and you guys know the drill. I've done this so many times for you now, so let's go. Okay, before we get into it, if these kind of videos, do you like them, do you not like them, let me know in the comments below, because I keep buying them basically to do these videos. So if you don't like them, let me know, because I have buying these. I mean, I like the things that I get, obviously, but I don't need to do these videos if you don't like these videos. I wait to unbox them until I film it for you guys. So let me know if these are helpful or not, or if you kind of get the gist and let me know if these are helpful or not, or if you kind of get the gist and you're kind of over it, or if you want to see more, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I just looked them up to see what they were. I'm gonna pull up the listing really quick, compare. You guys know I love the one's an Hermes tee and one is a Miu Miu, okay? You guys know I love getting my freaking Hermes tees now from the RealReal and from other places because they're literally so much more affordable. It's like $100 for a tee versus like $400 or $500 in the store. And okay, this one was $200, so maybe not. This is $175, but it's in excellent condition. It's actually a little pricey. I should have held out for a little longer. Oh well. And then this, oh no, this is not from Miu Miu. This is a pair of jeans from Acne Studios. Okay, so we'll try these on. Jeans and a tee. This could be the new outfit I wear for my next video. Great. Okay, so let's try them on. Cropped, light wash, and this was $137 instead of $390, and that was $175 instead of $500. Okay, so that's the savings right there. Pretty good, actually. I think $137 plus $178, $300 versus $850, $550 savings. Great job, Mayank. Good for you. So I already skipped to the part where I tried them on, but what do we think, you guys? They're like baggy, like cool. I've worn skinny jeans my entire life. I love skinny jeans. I've always loved skinny jeans. But, you know, the trend now is these bigger jeans. And I was like, oh, maybe I'll try one. Maybe I'll like dabble, take my foot, dip in. It's so much more comfortable. It's way more comfortable than wearing the freaking baggy ones all the time. And it looks kind of cool. And then I pair it with a little tight top. Well, not tight, but you know what? It's Hermes tee. You guys know I love Hermes tees. They're so fitted. They feel so good. I think it's a great outfit. I think I'm going to wear this. I mean, I'm going to wash it. And then I'll wear it. And then I'll shower. And then I'll wear it. Yeah. I love it. What do you guys think? Am I cool? Am I trendy? Am I crendy? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned for part 2 because there's more to come. I didn't even know this was going to be a full outfit, but this is great. I'm going to wear this for the next video. So stay tuned for the next video where I wear this. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please let me know if you like it in the comments below. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies. Because I know your time is valuable and your time is precious.